Hi guys, I'm coming to you from your classroom and we're looking at slope. Most of you already know a lot of this. We're doing our books and our ramps, and the steeper the ramp, the faster the car goes, and that's all having to do with slope. It's the rate of change, and slope is the rate of change between the x's and the y points. So slope is a ratio that can be expressed in a variety of ways. You're going to need to be familiar with all of them. It's called rise over run, delta y over delta x, and it's also y minus y sub 2 and x minus x sub 2. So, whoops, this didn't turn out real well. What it is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And the twos and the ones, these are just points somewhere. So we're going to look first from a graph. So here is a graph, and I'm going from this point, let me get that in there better, where it crosses in between the grids, and here's another one. I always start left to right. Well, this one came down and then went over. This is the rise and this is the run. This is the change in y over the change in x. So if we read the graph like a book, we go left to right. It goes down, so that's a negative 3 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 5. So in this case, the slope, which is also m, is the symbol for slope. The delta y over the delta x is a negative 3 over 5. So the slope of this is 3 over 5. You can also show a staircase. So when I'm looking at this graph, I need to find points that are right in between, right where the x's cross. Boy, I really should have calibrated this thing. So here are your points, and you make a stair step. So whoops, got a nasty little stair step here. Wrong. We have this point and this point. So it goes here, and then it goes here. So remember that I'm looking at the rise over run, so it's coming up 2 and it's over 3. This one is up 2 and over 3, up 2 and over 3. So the slope would be up 2, which is the y, over 3. Is it positive or negative? Reading from left to right, it's going up, so the slope is positive. Betcha this is a slope, a negative slope. So let's see. If I, again, look at what we call the crosshairs, here's one, here's one, here's one, here's one. I can make the stair steps. And this is going down 3 and over 1, down 3 and over 1, down 3 and over 1, down 3 and over 1. So my slope is a negative 3 over 1, which gives me a negative 3, which is a negative slope. And it's going down from left to right. This one, that's a horizontal line. Let's see what it does. Here, 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 here. Can I make a stair step? Well, not really, because it just goes to here, it just goes to here, it just goes to here. The y value never changes. It doesn't go up or down. It's not up here and it's not down here. It's right on this line. So the delta y, the change in y is 0. The change in x is 1. So the slope is 0 over 1, which is 0. So in this case, the picture has a 0 slope. Okay. Next, that's it. So get these notes, get them in, and we'll paste them in, and we'll go on tomorrow. See you guys.